All right, so check out these cohesive bandages for your fingers. It can be used on pets too. So this was sent to me to go ahead and try out, and we're gonna go ahead and unbox it and actually try it out and see how useful and helpful it actually is. Everything that comes in the box, you get 7 of these big ones, and then you get 2 of these thin ones. It is half of this big size. I would say this is about 1 inch. Now with this, you actually don't need a scissors or anything like that because this is easy to actually cut and put adhesive onto it, which makes it sticky. So let's say you have this part here. I want to go ahead and rip this part off. You can go ahead and just break it. You have it off. Now I want to wrap my finger because something's wrong with my finger. We can just go ahead and just start a wrap. It sticks onto each other. You can wrap it as tight as you need, as loose as you need. And there you have this. So now I've just wrapped my finger. This is really sticky. It's really tough. Like I can't really bend my finger. So it's super durable. The material itself is like a gauze type bandage. So it has like small airy holes so that if it is that you're wrapping a cut or anything like that, moisture can't really get in. It could go ahead and escape. Now, with this, you don't need extra tape. You don't need medical surgical tape or anything like that because this sticks to itself. And it's super easy to come off. You just go ahead and unravel. So it's not even sticky on your finger or anything like that because look at this. It's not sticky at all. So all it's sticky to is itself, which makes it super convenient when you need to wrap anything. You can go around many times as you want. Just know that if you were to bend it to itself like this, it will go ahead and stick because it sticks to itself. It doesn't have like a right side or a wrong side. Super convenient, especially if you have like a sprained ankle, a bandage to go ahead, a cut or damage, or you just need to wrap your fingers. Maybe you're doing kickboxing or anything like that. Super helpful, even with pets. Let's say you had to go ahead and wrap their legs or anything like that. You can go ahead and use this. It's not going to damage or pull on their fur because again, this is not sticking on you. It's sticking on itself.